So one thing artists do to celebrate art is to display it and to talk about it. So when we put art up in the Thurgood Marshall Art Studio, it isn't an art contest. Or as I like to say, it's not a beauty pageant. We're not looking at art to decide, I don't like this or I do like this. That is not why we look at art. We look at art to notice. We look at art to understand. We look at art to learn. And we look at art to wonder and to ask questions. Here in Studio 208, we discuss each other's art so that we can notice and understand and learn and wonder together. We can look at art and notice different arts concepts. What kinds of lines and shapes are we seeing? Are there patterns or repetition? Did the artist use contrast or balance? How did the artist use color? And what feelings do we have looking at this art? We can wonder and try to understand. What messages did the artist want to send? What feeling was the artist hoping we would have by looking at their art? Is this art important to this artist's culture and traditions? Does this art tell a story? What have we learned from this artist's work? And what else do we need to learn to really appreciate what this artist has created? After looking at the work done by our class, you might ask yourself some questions. Do I notice any themes? Or is there anything that surprises me? What do I notice that is similar or different between the different art pieces? Sometimes it happens that an artist is not finished when it's time to put up the work. If that is the case, the artist will put a sticky note on here, and that way the rest of us know when we are looking at their work to keep in mind that this is not their complete vision and that they have other things that they want to do to this art piece.